Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for tuning in to the Chris Sells Cars channel on YouTube. This is Chris Ogene reporting from Fitzgerald Toyota in Gaithersburg, Maryland, with a brand new 2025 Toyota 4Runner TRD Offroad Premium in the iForce Max hybrid configuration. This one is in the Supersonic red with the black fender flares and the black perforated Softex leather interior. Again, beautiful Supersonic red. You have the black fender flares right there, as well as the TRD blacked out alloy wheels with the TRD center cap. You have the air channel displacement system right here on the fender flares. You also have the front air dam, which also aids in the fuel economy of the vehicle and keeps road debris off the underside of the vehicle. It has the LED projector beam headlights, LED fog lights right there. And it also has the front parking sensors on the vehicle, as well as the 360 bird's eye view camera here with the premium package. It has a radar right behind this flat panel that co-witnesses with a tiny camera in that pyramid at the top of the windscreen as well. All right. This vehicle also comes with a skid plate under there, the front air dam. It has the tow hooks, and it also has the mud flaps right there. It has the 360 bird's eye view camera on the sides of both side mirrors, blinking lane change indicators. You can see the iForce Max badging, and that indicates that it is a hybrid vehicle. This one also has the fixed running board with the textured surface on it. I really do like that a lot. Come over here, you'll see the dimple for the keyless remote entry function on the vehicle. This one has the blind spot monitor and the side mirrors, heated side mirrors. Come over here, you can see 100% Japan. This one has the perforated, so heated and ventilated Softex, black Softex leather interior, power chair with the lumbar support. It does have memory setting for up to 2 drivers right there. All weather mats throughout the vehicle as well. And then it has your AC system as well as auxiliary controls. It has the light for the door in the back, the hatch in the back, automatic high beams, electronic steering wheel adjustment right there. You can see the moonroof, sunroof right there. Get here on the inside. You have your temperature adjustment there. You have your heated seats. You have your cooled seats right there. You also have the wireless Qi charger so that you can wirelessly charge your devices. This one comes with a heated steering wheel as well. It also has your different drive modes right here. 2-wheel drive, 4 high and 4 low, as well as your different drive modes and your multi-terrain selector, downward assist. You also have the 360 bird's eye view camera. You can see it panning right there. And once it pans around the vehicle, it's going to give us an aerial shot of the vehicle. And it's in real time, so you can see how I parked asymmetrically to the parking space intentionally, just to show you the way this is configured. It also has a digital rear view mirror with a camera, all right, external camera. It can go into analog. You can see me making the recording with my hands. And then in digital mode, where it uses an external camera. It has the SOS button here for your connected services, remote connect, safety connect, service connect. This vehicle can remote start, and it also has the JBL sound system throughout the vehicle. beautiful premium JBL speakers throughout the vehicle. It has your 12.3-inch digital cluster there, 14-inch touchscreen LCD panel with your backup camera, and the backup camera has your projected path setting as well. That yellow line is your projected path. It also has automatic braking, lane keeping assist function, dynamic range cruise control. This is truly a loaded vehicle for anybody who wants a full-size SUV. And there's the bench seat in the back there that can take up to 3 adults in the back. Your moonroof. Beautiful sculpted performance seats. I'm going to come over here to the back. And you can see the badging right here. TRD Offroad. And then look here. The folks in the back have the vents, AC vents. There's a grounded outlet right here in the back for your power tools and devices. USB-C outlets for charging. Magazine pocket in the back here. JBL sound system throughout the vehicle as well. Truly loaded. And you can see the roof rack and the roof rack crossbars. Your roof rack and your roof rack crossbars right there in the midnight black metallic. You have your rear air deflector right there. Come over here and you can see the blacked out badging. 4Runner iForce Max. You can see the 2 external cameras. All right? Right there, your backup camera and your 360 bird's eye view camera. You can see the integrated hitch with the hitch cover. You can see the spare down there, as well as the hitch wiring harness right there. And then also look at the signature mud guards right there. I'm gonna do one touch, opening in the back. And you can see the carpets in the back there. All right. You can see the tie downs, first aid kit in the back as well. Lots of space in the back here for you to do all the things you need to do. JBL sound system in the back, another grounded outlet in the back here. If you'd like this in your driveway, you want to call Chris Ogene as soon as possible at 202-607-9517. This is the brand new 2025 Toyota 4Runner TRD Offroad Premium. And you want to call Chris Ogene at 202-607-9517. Thank you and have a fantastic day.